Right, boys and girls, back again. Nice sunny Sunday. We are installing the Maxton design rear diffuser on the ST. So just cleaned our cars, ready for a meet tonight. So let me prop up the camera and then start on the diffuser. Next, taking the tips off, just make it easier to line up. So I'll probably skip all this part and time lapse it so it's easy for you guys to watch. Will the tips go back on normal, innit? Oh!
What? You snapped it?
Yeah.
What did you snap?
Snapped his thing.
What did you snap?
His. What is it? What is it you snapped?
Oh, I snapped the bolt.
Which bolt?
It's proper clamped in still though.
Is the thing holding his tips on?
Fuck off. Did it come off?
Nah.
No, the tips like welded in. Oh, that's alright. We have to do it without taking it off.
You're gonna have to take bumper off now.
Nah.
You will?
No, I'll just do some measurements on the thing. I'll just measure it up. That's bad, man.
It's not even old.
And that's what I mean. Oh, fuck. That's bad. Look at that. Clean shaven off. Right, boys, so due to a little mishap, what I'm gonna do. Stop laughing at me, Fatty. Gonna tip axe these little prongs here, and then line up with the bumper, and then just drill a hole. I bet you are.
It's sort of.
Oh, they're polishing up or they?
Some of it is, but some of it's not coming off.
These pens are crap. Calvin, you got any Tipex? Pardon? Alright, fixed it. Alright. I just need to like line this up.
Yeah, do you want to see your hand?
I might be alright. I just line that up there. to make sure these things are the right size. Moment of truth, Pat. That looks alright then. That's not too bad. Wait.
If you want to get,
Not too bad. Just not too bad, is it? Is it, Patty? Not too bad.
Sorry, Brad.
it's not as good as mine.
Oh.
Oh yeah. Let's have a little look at Patty's, yeah. Oh, all right, big man. I want one like yours, man. Right, boys. So I'm gonna tiger seal it on as well, just to make it stay in a bit better. Oh. That'll have to do, innit?
I said grab the fucking blanket.
Oi. Boys, it's done. I know. Right, we're gonna end it there. We'll probably insert some clips of the meat, but is that Patty trying to hide? But yeah. Looks alright, not the best way how to install it. I think I'm gonna have to get a new one and redo it because this is a bit, see it's sticking out a bit there. And it's not gonna stick, I don't think. But you win some, you lose some. But oh well, it'll do for now. It'll do for now. See you in the next one.
Show what you're about.
Yes, I JME.
I can't hear it, I'm all right here.
Good.
back to the days when I was in the lab. Only day one to me, all the rest trash. Y'all made excuses, I was making racks. Start me like nice child, that's too bad. Boy, you better watch your mouth before I pop off in the campgrounds. Jason wanna rest, no doubt. Better pop off in the campgrounds.